Hey guys, hey YouTube fam, how are you guys doing? So it's your favorite Abuja mommy vlogger, Deka, Diary of an Abuja Mom. So I'm a mom of 3 beautiful kids,
Jina, Ife, and Ola.
And we're super excited to be here. If you've not already, please, this is the best time to subscribe and
click on the subscribe button.
And also do what? Click on the bell button to get you notified. So whenever we post a new video like this one, you'll be the first to get it. Yeah, Ola wants to eat my hand. And we're super excited. So a lot of you guys are always asking me, Deka, what shows do your kids watch? Like, we want to know because we like the way they behave, we like the way they talk and all that. I said that they should do it themselves. They're the ones that actually enjoy everything and sing everything. And yeah, that's why we're here. And if you like to see that, then keep watching. So we're going to start off with kids TV channels that they actually love, and I'm going to be starting with Jina. So Jina, what are your favorite TV channels?
Disney Junior and PBS.
Really?
Yeah.
Why do you like Disney Junior?
That's because it has fun.
It has fun shows.
Yes.
What of PBS?
PBS has my most favorite shows.
Ife, what about you?
Nick Junior and Disney Junior and PBS too.
And PBS too. Why do you like them? Why do you like
Because
Nick Junior?
they're very fun.
They're very fun. Gina loves to watch Disney Junior and catch up a lot, and Ife loves to watch Nick Junior. So most times, because the TV in their room is bad, most times always like at loggerheads, who is going to watch which. Ife will come, Mom, Gina has been watching her own shows all day. She doesn't want to allow me watch my own shows. Right? So I'm always caught up between saying, okay, Gina, can Ife just watch for a few minutes or something? But yeah, okay, so Gina, what's your favorite Disney Junior show?
Elena of Avila, Sofia the First.
Elena of Avila and Sofia the First.
And Fancy Nancy.
And Fancy Nancy. Guys, my favorite show as a mom, like you know my favorite show. What's my favorite show?
Top.
Okay, yeah. And
You like, I don't know.
Fancy Nancy. I love Fancy Nancy so much.
You like Molly?
Yeah, I also like Molly of Dinari. Gina, what's your favorite TV shows?
Number 1 is Princess Sofia.
Okay.
Elena of Avila, Fancy Nancy, Bluey,
Okay.
and Elena Wonders Why.
Okay. Why do you like Sofia?
That's because she goes on epic adventures and she keeps stories and she makes stories have a happy ending.
Okay.
And she knows that her sorceress can do anything.
Okay.
But he's kind of silly.
It's kind of silly.
Yeah. If he does a spell that can make things vanish, she'll make a spell that can make chickens appear.
Who is a sorcerer?
Cedric.
Cedric.
Mhm.
But she always calls him Cedric, and
No,
he doesn't
the
like
first
it.
time he said Cedric, not said it's Cedric. it's Cedric.
Okay, so Ife, what's your favorite show?
Santiago Blaze. Baba Papa.
Okay.
What's that other one?
Can you remember? No, tell him if you can remember.
Paw Patrol. Yes, Paw Patrol, yes.
And Blaze and the Monster Machine. Forgot that. So why do you like the shows that you like? Like, why do you like Paw Patrol?
Cause they're always helping people.
Okay.
And even Blaze, cause they're always learning about things. Even Santiago, cause he's helping people in need.
Okay, and you like to help people in need.
Well, the song I used to hear my tell about the planet.
Okay, sing it.
It is called hopscotch.
Okay.
It's the alien that will say that, okay, get ready. We're gonna say all the planets really fast. Can you keep up? We're gonna say all the planets really fast. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Mercury is the oldest and the closest to the sun. Venus is the hardest one. Earth is the planet that we live in. We know. Mars has the biggest canyon volcano. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter is the biggest planet you find. Saturn has rings around the outside. Uranus smells like rotten eggs. Uranus smells like rotten eggs. And Neptune is the coldest you'll find. And Pluto! I hope I'll not be forgotten.
You guys are so funny. My kids are so funny and silly. Really. But if Jina, can you remember our favorite song? All of us. The song I love and you guys love. You taught me the song. 1, 2, go. The heart of a hero will see you through. The heart of a hero deep inside of you. Okay, so what's the other song I like?
Thoughts.
Yes, that's all.
You don't need to worry about it.
God!
Hey, clap me so loud.
That's, but you know that song I love it. You know, like it's in that brain.
It's very sad sometimes.
It's sad, but it's sweet. It's delicious.
So it tastes like chicken.
Yeah, it tastes like chicken. Okay, let's sing it.
Okay. You don't need to worry about a thing. I got your wings. I got your wings. You don't need to worry about a thing. How? I got your wings. I got your wings. I got your wings.
Jina, another thing I noticed about when you guys watch TV shows, whenever they say something on the show, like a new word or just something, you guys always, especially if it does, I think you do it, but if it does it the most, you will repeat after them. I noticed it. Why do you do that?
That's because if we don't know it, any kind of word, we repeat them.
You repeat them so you know it, right? And which is really nice because it makes you to know how to speak.
Mom also does everything. He does English, math, everything.
Oh, really?
Mechanical.
Which is really nice. If I said he wants to be a mechanical engineer.
Me, I want to be a singer because I get to sing to be a rock star.
You want to be a mechanical engineer? Why?
Because I like building stuff.
You like building stuff like cars, aeroplanes, jets.
But Mom,
yeah.
Tomorrow you get me a building set.
Okay.
And a race car.
Okay.
I want a tea set, a cooking set, a playhouse, a Barbie set, and a Barbie mermaid one that can teach cars. Oh wait, no. And also the campings and the paintings and a piano and a bubble blower.
Okay.
And also I want on my birthday.
What about your spa dates?
I want a spa day on my birthday too. I'm going to get anything I want on my birthday.
Guys, can you see what Jina is doing to us in this house? Jina wants everything, like everything one table. Jina wants a spa date with her friends. She wants to go and watch movies. She wants to go to a place. She wants to have all the sets in this world.
And a toy car that I can drive myself. And a toy car that I can drive inside like this.
Okay, so you want gifts too on Jina's birthday?
Yes.
Okay, so we should buy gifts too for you.
And a toy car that I can drive myself with. But I know I can get it.
Okay.
I can tell you.
So Jina, I would like you to talk about Elena. Elena is one of your favorite shows, and it's also one of my favorite shows.
She's my best.
She's the best show.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Why?
Because she has a beautiful scepter, and her song is amazing.
Really?
And also she has red dress. That's like my favorite color. That's also red.
Yeah, Jina's favorite color is red.
And also she has her own horse.
Okay.
On my birthday, I'm gonna have a pet, you know.
What pet do you want to have?
Horse.
Horse.
But we will not go inside the house. We have to go view the stable. In the backyard. I can be practicing my horse ride. I can name him Canela.
Canela.
Yes, that's the Princess Elena's own horse.
Okay.
And I'll get a costume of Princess Elena and a scepter.
Okay. Ife, so what do you like about Bluey?
Because they always play and they're always silly.
They're always silly. You like silly kids?
They're always silly. And also, they're always running crazy.
Which one? Bluey?
Bluey, one time he was in a bus. Bluey was using a balloon to that thing that the big was opening it. Everyone was smelling something stinky. He was using it to
pollute the air. That's disgusting. Jina, you and Ife, you guys find disgusting things funny.
Yeah.
Why?
Sometimes they kind of silly. One day, he was finding a puzzle piece. The puzzle piece was on his bottom the whole time. Yeah. You know, one time he was printing a poster. He was stuck in a door like this. Yeah, just like this. Oh! That burned out.
Ife is funny.
Yeah. And you know the next thing that happened? Bluey now removed it from his bottom and then he now saw it.
What do you like about dinosaur train?
Because they help us know words of dinosaurs that we don't know.
Okay, can you tell us some of the dinosaurs that you know? You tell us
There
5.
is
You can
families.
tell us 5.
Well, then they even, can I tell us, if you can do 5, can I do 6?
Okay, you do 6, but you can say 3 if you will say 3 first. Okay.
The Triceratops family, because you know Triceratops already.
Okay.
And Tyrannosaur.
Okay.
It has 3 horns, but Triceratops has 4.
Okay, Triceratops have 4. Why
No,
not?
Triceratops has 3. 1 here, 1 in the nose, very big.
Okay.
And the Tyrannosaurus has all spikes all over his head and mouth.
Okay, you've said how many?
2.
Okay, what's the third one?
The third one is Ankylosaurus.
The what?
Ankylosaurus.
Okay.
He has teeth that come out here, come out like this, like this.
Okay.
Everyone like it is making a like a sound like
Really? Okay.
T-Rex.
T-Rex. If you love T-Rex a lot.
I like T-Rex too.
Okay, T-Rex. Tell us about T-Rex. How are they?
They eat meat, but they have good eyes and their mouth is a little stinky. Well,
Okay.
there's even a song about it.
Okay, what's the next one?
And then a Triodon.
Triodon.
They're green and they like eating fish and you meat.
Okay, what's the third one?
A Brachiosaurus.
A what?
Brachiosaurus.
Okay, then you say it again, let them hear you.
Brachiosaurus.
Okay, how are they?
I don't know them. I don't know what they do.
Gina, what do they do?
Well, they're kind of small, like
Okay.
an ant or something.
Oh, really?
Brachiosaurus. I know they're small. They're small, and they're always peekaboo. But if you go to one home, you see them there, here, everywhere. If you look left, they'll be right. If you look right, they'll be left. If you look down, if you look back, they'll be straight. If you look straight, they'll be back.
Oh.
You look sideways, around and around, they'll be popping in each place. Poop, 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 popping, 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 like a computer.
Okay, babies, that's fine. What do you like about Mira?
That's because she's a detective and she always solves everything. Things are hard, she can solve. Anything she can solve.
Ife, is that true? You like her too? Do you like her show? Why do you like her show? What else? What made you to like her?
Because they have mongooses. Mongooses.
What's mongooses?
Mongooses are like lizards.
So guys, we've come to the end of these videos. I hope from this our ramblings and fun time, you guys now know the kind of shows my kids love to watch. And please don't forget to
subscribe subscribe on the subscribe button and click on the bell.
Yes.
Yeah.
Click on the bell
And make
button.
sure you subscribe. If you want to watch this video, subscribe and click on it and give a 2 thumbs up for my mommy, for my mom.
Okay, yeah, and we love you guys so much for watching. Until our next video.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.